What if I told you there's an AI image generator that can create more realistic images than Midjourney or DALL-E, and it's completely free? Meet flux.ai, the groundbreaking model from Black Forest Labs, the creators of Stable Diffusion. Flux doesn't just match the top image generators in quality, it often surpasses them with insane detail, ultra-realistic skin textures, and even accurate human hands. Yes, really. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore tools and strategies to help you work smarter, not harder. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 methods to use flux.ai to create ultra-realistic images. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn your ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. So let's talk about flux.ai. This tool, developed by Black Forest Lab, is considered a direct competitor to Midjourney. In many cases, flux.ai even outperforms Midjourney in generating photorealistic images, especially when it comes to text within images. It comes in 4 versions: Flux Chanel, Basic Model, Flux Dev, Intermediate Model, Flux Pro, Flagship Model, and Flux 1.1 Pro, newest version. Each version offers unique capabilities, and today we'll explore how to use each of them. Go to huggingface.co/blackforestlabs. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see both the Flux Chanel and Flux Dev models available for free. Let's try out Flux Chanel first. Here's the simple interface. All we need to do is enter our prompt in the input box. For example, let's input a futuristic city skyline at sunset and click Run. Take a look at the result. It's a stunning cityscape filled with vibrant lighting and detailed architecture, even though we're using the basic model Flux Chanel. As you can see, the details and lighting are remarkable for a free tool. Just click Download here to save the image. Now let's test Flux Dev, which is a more advanced model. Back in Hugging Face, let's choose Flux Dev from the options. Let's input a new prompt: a beautiful woman in a red dress walking through an autumn park. You can find this prompt in the description as well. We can also adjust the aspect ratio and seed number to customize the output. But for simplicity, we'll leave it as is and hit Run. Here's the output. Look at the realism in the image. The lighting and shadows are incredible, and the details in the park and clothing are very realistic. The Flux Dev model gives us an even more polished and detailed result than Flux Chanel. You can also download the image by simply clicking the download button. And that's it. In this way, you can create unlimited high-quality images using both Flux Chanel and Flux Dev, completely free of charge. Flux Chanel is perfect for quick, basic image generation, while Flux Dev offers more refined results with enhanced details and better lighting. You can experiment with different prompts, play around with aspect ratios, and adjust the number of steps to fine-tune your creations. Now let's go to another method. Another great way to access flux.ai is through crart.ai. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. Head over to crart.ai.com. You'll also find the link in the description below. In the top right corner, click on the login button. You can register or log in using various options, including Google, Discord, Facebook, phone number, email. Choose the method that works best for you and complete the login process. Once you're inside, you'll have access to a vast library of AI models, including the powerful flux.ai models. If you didn't find this model simply, in the search bar, type flux.ai and select the model you want to use. After selecting your preferred model, you'll land on the generation interface. You'll see a prompt input box, aspect ratio settings, and a few advanced options to tweak the output to your liking. Let's test it out with an example prompt: a beautiful woman in a red dress walking through an autumn park, golden leaves falling, warm sunlight, cinematic shot, ultra detailed. Choose your desired aspect ratio, for instance, 16:9 for a widescreen look, and hit the Generate button. After a few moments, your AI-generated image will appear. The level of detail, lighting, and color balance is truly impressive, especially considering this is a free tool. You can refine your prompt, try different aspect ratios, or adjust the seed number to explore more variations. Once you've found the perfect image, simply click the Download button to save it to your device. And that's it. You can generate as many images as you want, experiment with creative ideas, and bring your visions to life using flux.ai on crart.ai. Whether you're a digital artist, a content creator, or just curious to explore AI art, this platform makes it incredibly easy and accessible to create stunning visuals in just a few clicks. Now let's explore another method to access Flux.ai. The third method is through Glyph, a platform for building various AI-powered applications. Go to glyph.app/glyphs. You can also find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see the main interface. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. You can create your account using Google or Discord. For a faster process, I recommend signing in with Google. After logging in, click the Build button. You'll see a plus icon. Click on that to start creating a new project. You'll be presented with multiple options. Choose Image Generation to start working with AI-powered image models. Under the image generation section, you can select your preferred model. You'll find multiple options including Stable Diffusion and DALL-E. But for now, let's choose Flux Pro from the list to get the best results. Next, select your preferred aspect ratio. For example, 16:9 for a cinematic look. Now, let's test it with an example prompt. A photograph of an old man wearing a hat and glasses, sitting on a wooden bench in a park, golden hour lighting, ultra realistic. Once your prompt is ready, click the Run button to generate the image. And here's the output. The level of detail is truly impressive. You can see the texture of the man's skin, the fine lines on his face, and even the reflections in his glasses. This is the power of Flux Pro, and it delivers results that feel incredibly lifelike. Once you're satisfied with the image, simply click Download to save it to your device. And that's it. You've just created a stunning, ultra-realistic image using Flux Pro on Glyph. Now let's explore the final and most powerful method. To use Flux 1.1 Pro, go back to Black Forest Labs website and under Flux 1.1 Pro, click Try it on FreePic. The link is in the description below. Once you're on FreePic's site, click Sign In at the top right. You can sign in with your Google account to make the process super easy. After logging in, you'll see an option to choose the style of image you want to create. Let's choose photo as our style for now, and let's use this prompt. You can find the prompt in the description as well. After that, click Generate. Here's the result. The photorealistic quality is unbelievable. You can see every raindrop, every highlight on her skin, and the neon reflections in the background. This is the power of Flux 1.1 Pro, and the fact that you can access it for free makes it even better. So there you have it. It's 4 easy, free methods to use Flux AI and create stunning, ultra-realistic images. Whether you're experimenting with concepts, designing artwork, or just having fun, Flux AI is an incredibly powerful tool that gives paid platforms a run for their money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.